Hi guys! I'm back because yung ginawa I am making kanina some snuffing and that is not chocolate. I will not eat it. Chocolate. Mahilig po yung kapatid ko to sa chocolate. Oh. Bigyan kitang chocolate. Pagkatapos ng tapos na. Guys, wait. Guys, hi back. May water na po. Healthy na po. Kasi po kawapo eh. Ito po, putas po, pinutasan po namin. Bigla po nagkapaligtad. Hindi po namin maano, guys. Well. Oh, nautim pala. Nang tuna po pala kami sa, nagkatiwa po pala kami sa,
Philippines
Laguna.
and Tadlaklos Baños Laguna. And she's recording from YouTube where I'm recording too. And which means I'm gonna post this video. And she's gonna post that from Shorts.
Guys, I don't have likes yet and subscribe.
I have 26 subscribers, I think. I don't know.
But I don't have like and subscribers.
Let's put it here.
No, it's not done yet, Sumi.
Tatanggalin natin yung tubig dito.
Wag na, piyaw mo na. Guys, yeah.
Let's set it. And don't mind the language.
Guys, mag-aano muna kami ng timer para matapos. Wait lang po. Guys, sabi po to stop it. Kukunin niya na po yung cellphone ko dun sa ano.
Manisawag ka ni ate. Mainit na daw yun. Ako na lang magsaset up.
Sige. Lagyan mo natin. Guys, wait lang po ha.
Now I'm gonna
Ikaw umano
set
natin. Hi guys. Ito yung timer ha. Ito yung timer.
I'm gonna set some timer now.
In Google. Walang timer ito sa Google.
Meron?
Wala, ayaw ko natin sa Google. Meron akong sariling timer, silly. Yung saan natin?
Malapit na mag-end.
Okay lang.
May part 2 naman, di ba?
Oh, hindi.